Hello, boys and girls. This is Joe Braga with Engraver's Choice. I'm a trainer and consultant for the laser industry. I'm an expert on using laser software like CorelDRAW and Lightburn, Engravelab, as it applies to a laser. I've been in the industry for over 35 years. We're making videos today for my buddies over at OM Tech. I'm also associated with Boss Laser, do work for Epilogue Universal, Xenetech. Been a tech on lasers for a long time, and I still get more excited about fixing something than I do about selling something. But our lasers, our laser courses, I should say, the video courses are very, very cool. Each video course is controlled by one thought per page, divided into 4 sections with 1 3 to 5 minute video. We do on-site installations. We do work on other installations like LaserCAD and RDWorks and EasyCAD for the fibers. And we even do work with CMYK, or sorry, CyberCut, which is CYP cut for the fiber cutting deep lasers that will cut half-inch stainless steel. So let's go into here. I go into the F9 here. We have one goal. One goal is to try to do an in-depth PC to PC installation and training so you don't have to pay us to come all the way out there. We're in Southern California. There is 5 of us in Southern California that will all work under my flag, and then there's a whole group of support at the individual factories, whether you're talking about a West Coast company or an East Coast company. Now, if you're going to buy a laser and you're not familiar with Lightburn already, this is the future of laser engraving. So I highly suggest you buy at least the video course. If you're going to buy PC to PC training or even on-site training after that, buy the video course first. Watch it. You'll get much more out of your PC to PC or on-site training. Like I say, we have 35 years plus of doing this. And our big goal is no matter how good the machine is that you bought, and we don't care really which machine you bought, if we don't show you how to run it correctly, you're not going to be happy with it. We've been making courses for this for a long time. We have a teacher credential. We used to take electronics at Long Beach State. And the 3 most popular interfaces in the industry are CorelDRAW first, Engravelab second, Engravelab with a bullet, and then Adobe. The graphical interface, it's Lightburn above all else. A distant second is RDWorks, which we have a video course on, but you can see I'm pushing you towards Lightburn. Don't matter what laser you have, as long as you have Lightburn, it pretty much all works the same. One thing about Lightburn, I've been with him quite a while now, and he's adding 4 or 5 major evolution per quarter. And many times there'll be 4 or 5 in a month. So pay attention to when it says there is a free upgrade, because he's very good about beta testing it. There's a camera you can get for Lightburn. The big thing with a unit is, as you look into them, the big thing is, remember that we've broken it down into the 4 sections, and then the graphics support it. This just doesn't talk about how to run Lightburn. It talks about how to do preventative maintenance for the laser. Gives you project videos for making different projects, instead of just telling you each command does what, how to use that to make a control panel, for example. How to troubleshoot. It comes with 3 months of free phone time. If you buy a PC to PC, it comes with 6 months. If you buy with on-site, it comes with 1 year. The big thing is Lightburn is a graphical interface, so it does a lot of cool things that CorelDRAW and Engravelab don't do, but it's not going to do everything. So having a copy of CorelDRAW and Engravelab on your PC is very valuable in concert with Lightburn. Lightburn has its own macro for CorelDRAW. So you just one click and it drops in. If you've matched your power and speed settings and your colors, it will automatically see red, apply the right power and speed, and all you have to do is hit start. Literally be engraving in 2 clicks. You do have an easy CAD for you fiber people, for fiber markers. Eventually you will see Lightburn running this, but knowing easy CAD be valuable. I still use RDWorks on the CO2s for certain types of backdoor troubleshooting. It didn't work in Lightburn, but it did work in EasyCAD. Tells me something. I use it as a troubleshooting tool. It will have keyboard overlays for fast keys. Many of the fast keys for CorelDRAW and Engravelab are the same in Lightburn. It does have suggestions for power and speed for materials. It does come with a CRUD load, 4,100 plus sample jobs and clip art. And you do have quite a bit of phone time with it. You will call me. I will set up on your PC and get all the defaults set up, then throw you your homework. If I hear from you again, I know you need some PC to PC training. If I don't, then I know you're off to the races. Give me a call at 949-355-4000. Thank you.